So what's up guys, here is a free TRX and platform, and here I just earned myself over 1.4 TRX or 1.4 USDT, which will be converted into TRX. So here on my screen is around 2.8 USDT, and in TRX is working around 12.331108 TRX, and I'll be making a withdrawal of this TRX right here. And this particular TRX platform has been paying me for long, and you can also invest it because I will drop in the link in this video. Don't forget to make use of it to enable you earn more TRX and accumulate more TRX for yourself. So the withdrawal has been successfully made, and I'll be showing you guys from my wallet. But before that, let me show you guys on how I came to recharge here. So here is the team I'm showing. You can see I have over 440 team members, and they have invested and they are already making money right here and making their withdrawal. So you can earn from level 1, level 2, and level 3 once you're able to invite a user into this platform. So as you can see now, the commissions I'll be able to get right in the platform just by inviting friends here, which you can also do that once you're able to make use of your invitation code or the file link. You can also invite more users to enable you earn more TRX and make a withdrawal. So here's my file link and invitation code, which I'll be dropping in this video. And now go to my website now to show you guys the proof of this TRX in which I just showed you right here. So now refreshing my page now, you can see now I just earned 11.96 TRX.